Hello everyone, welcome back to Anjigao classes. In this class I am going to explain you least common multiple, that is called as LCM. Okay, now what is LCM, how to find the LCM, what are the ways to find the LCM, I will explain you clearly. See here. Now let us take two numbers of 4 and 6. Okay, so first write the multiples of 4. 4 multiples are 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 5 the 20, sorry, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32, so on and so on. Now write the multiples of 6. 6 to the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8 the 48, and so on. Okay, now what are the common multiples here? 12 and 12. Okay, both are same, 12 and 12 common multiples. Next one, any more? Yes, 24 24. Okay, 24 24 both are common multiples. Any more? Once check, any more common multiples? So these two are common multiples. Now among these two, which is the least one, which is the smallest one? Here smallest one is 12. Yes or no? Yes. So least common multiple, LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, there are two methods to find the LCM, least common multiple. One method is that, first one is prime factorization method. Next one is that division method. Okay, so these are the two methods. So prime factorization method and division method. I will explain you clearly what is prime factorization method and what is division method. Just see here. Now 4 and 6 are our numbers. Okay, we are finding first prime factorization method. So in the prime factorization method is the first one. So we are finding LCM for 4, 6. Now just do the prime. What are the prime factors for 4? Do the prime factorization for 4. Okay, now that is 2 2 is a 4. Okay, completed 4. Next take the 6. Now 2 3 is a 6. Both are prime numbers or not? Yes, 2 is a prime number, 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay, now what are the factors for 4 and 6? Factors for 4 is 2, 2. Next one, factors for 6 is 2, 3. Now we are finding least common multiple. So what is the common here? That is 2. Okay, 2 is common. Now what are uncommon here? Different factors. Uncommon in the sense different factors are 2 into 3. First write the common factors. Okay, this is the common factors. Then after write the different factors. Okay, what are the remaining different factors? We have to write. Now do the multiplication. This 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12. Okay, so here LCM of 4, 6 is 12. Already we got. Yes or no? 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. Yes or no? Yes. So in the prime factorization method also we got the answer 12. LCM of 4, 6 is 12. Now division method. So in this division method we are going to find the LCM for 4, 6. So write like this. This is the division method. Just take one number first, that is prime number. Okay, 2. 2 2 is a 4. 2 3 is a 6. Now any more? Okay, if you want to do 2 1 is a 2. Next 3 1 is a 3. So what are the numbers here? LCM of 4, 6 is, multiply this all. Okay, you get 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. So what we will get here? 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12. So see here. Here also in the previous one also we got the same answer or not? Yes. What is the LCM of 4, 6 is 12, 12, 12. So everyone clear? So this is a way of finding LCM, least common multiple. It is better to do division method in the LCM where if you want to get the answer speed. Okay, your answer is getting very easily. Okay, now I will explain you one more problem. See here, now the two numbers are given, 12 and 15. We have to find the LCM for 12 and 15. So just first I am doing prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. First take the 12 and find the factors for 12. 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. Okay, I got all the prime factors. What are the prime factors for 12? 2 comma 2 comma 3. Next find the prime factors for 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay, so 3 or 5 are prime numbers, so I got the prime factors are 3 comma 5. So what are the prime factors for 15? 3 comma 5. So what are here common? Here common is only one number, that is only one factor, that is 3. Okay, now LCM of 12 and 15 is, just write the first common factor, then after remaining all factors, 2 into 2 into 5. So multiply this total, what we will get? 3 to the 6, 2 5 is 10. So 6 10 is 60. So what is the LCM of 12 and 15? 60. Okay, now we will do in the division method. So in the division method, just take the two numbers that are 12 and 15. See here, now in the division method. Okay, 12 and 15 I wrote. Okay, now see here, take the first one prime number, that is 2. 2 6 is 12. So I can't divide 15 now, so I am writing as it is. Now I am taking 3. Now 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. So I got all the prime numbers or not? Yes, I got all the prime numbers. Now LCM for 12 and 15 are, just see here, just multiply this all. Okay, 2 into 3 into 2 into 5, that is 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. So 6 10 is 60. 60 is our LCM. So here also we got the same result. So if you want to do prime factorization method or division method, whether if you want to choose whatever you want to choose. Division method is very simple. Okay, we are finding very easily. Okay, division method is suitable for this.